Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic why do ants kill snails. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants can kill snails because they are a rich source of proteins for these tiny insects in addition to other essential elements and vitamin A. Their shells contain calcium while their bodies provide iron and minerals. They secrete foamy material to deter invaders, but ants use stingers or mandibles to kill them. Snails have beautiful shells commonly used for decorative purposes, while terrestrial species are a good source of nutrients for humans. In addition, they can also become a nutrient-rich food source for insects, birds, mice, or other animals in nature, so it is challenging to protect them from attacks. Ants prefer to eat invertebrates and smaller vertebrates in addition to insects, as they are easy to chew and digest due to the absence of bones. Most commonly, these tiny insects attack every possible prey in their surroundings or territory, including spiders, earthworms, scorpions, squids, etc., which are all invertebrates. The carnivorous ant species depend more on snails and other related invertebrates as they prefer animal-based food to meet their body requirements, while others have a sweet tooth. They are a good source of nutrition for these tiny insects because their bodies provide complex proteins and fats in addition to other nutrients like vitamin A. A spiral-shaped shell is present on their bodies that protect against attack as they can hide by retracting their soft bodies inside. It is made of calcium carbonate and changes its shape and size according to the body size, which means a bigger one provides more calcium to insects. In addition, they commonly kill snails to eat their bodies, but their prey does not attack their mounts, eggs, and other adult members to eat them. Accordingly, there is no fight for defense by ants, but the snails have to avoid this stinging pest to save their lives. They can attack and kill them to devour their bodies into small pieces. Moreover, the predatory insects eat both live and dead mollusks without worrying about killing the live ones, as they have their own strategies to kill the bigger prey. Ants have extraordinary warfare skills to deal with bigger prey animals, providing enough courage to engage themselves in a war and win the battle. This war occurs when they want to keep predators away from nest or need something from their opponents. Accordingly, they kill snails for food, particularly when they need protein. In addition, these mollusks prefer to hide inside the shell, as they can survive inside the shell for many days and show no movement for long. A swarm of these insects can overpower a snail, even if it tries to resist the bites and stings because these can get inside their hard shells. However, these tiny creatures can easily reach inside the shells, as they need a small space to sneak through them. They make use of mandibles to pierce their soft bodies and cause injuries. These bites can be painful sometimes, depending on the species of ants attacking the prey, so they can die if these biting insects heavily injure their bodies. In addition, some species possess a stinger on their abdominal ends to transfer poison into the prey's body. The stinging organ enters deep into the skin and passes poison into the bloodstream. The toxins or poisonous molecules can cause interference in natural metabolic processes or other internal functions, ultimately causing death. Every species of ants have different dietary requirements depending on their nature, as some like to get nutrients from the plant while others choose animals. Accordingly, the carnivorous ant species choose snails or other mollusks to get nutrients when they find any prey in their way. The army or soldier ants have bigger mandibles that can easily chew their soft bodies or sensitive bodies. These snails cannot resist their deadly bites and die shortly. Moreover, the African big-headed ants belonging to the genus Pheodole can also break their non-segmented bodies into smaller parts when encountering them in large numbers. Their bigger heads possess large mandibles involved in quickly devouring the prey body into smaller parts for easier chewing and digestion. Thanks for watching the video.